Good morning, class. Today we'll take the first topic of the chapter French society during the late 18th century. Earlier, we had discussed all the characters which had come in the French Revolution and we discussed them, the role of them, and why, what they have done, the importance of them in French Revolution. Here we'll see in introduction that what is the French Revolution. When we discuss that French Revolution, it is one of the main event which have given the glimpse of rights to the world. Now here we have seen what is the French Revolution and the character of that, that is the Louis XVI and his wife Antoinette, Marie Antoinette. So we'll see here that Louis XVI, when he became the king of France in 1774 and married with the Princess Antoinette, Marie Antoinette, and he got empty the treasure. Empty the treasure means when he came on to the throne, there was nothing with them, like the money was finished. The reason behind that, long years ago, the war drained financial resources, cost of maintaining the extravagant court and regular expenses of very little capital. Means it is given in NCRT that means France helped America for releasing this 13 colony from the British rule, and that's why France helped to America and its all money drained into the war. So reason behind that, and you know that from centuries ago, 100-year wars was continue, after that 7-year wars. So means always France had been involved in revolutions or war or battle. So that's why the money was not there. And after that, when Louis XVI, when he became the king, so means like king, you know that the expenditures are high to maintain the royalty of the palace, and there was lots of expenditure over there. So that's why this happened, and means now when money source was not there anything for, so what happened, he wanted to do something, and after that the debt was more than 2 billion livres and interest was 10%, so that he forced to increase the taxes. Means certain things had to maintain for the palace. First is all the expenditure. What expenditure? Like means maintenance of palace, running of universities, running of government sector, so industries, and most of the things were there. And after that, the debt also had to settle. This was 10%, and he was forced to increase the ring. Now, this time, Louis XVI was forced to increase the taxes over the people. Now, when we see what was the condition of society, here we come to this particular uh, cartoon pictures. So here we can see that the society was divided into three structure, that is first, second and third. The first one, that is clergy, second one nobility, third one is that everyone else. Means everyone else means rest of the population, which was you can say middle class and lower middle class. So the first state the clergy, second state the nobility, and third state the common people. Common key people, bourgeois, urban workers, and peasants. Bourgeois are the capitalist people. Means sometimes they were working, they were businessmen, merchants, like all. Workers who were working means laboring in the factories or under plantations somewhere, and peasants means farmer. Legally, the first two estates enjoy the many privileges, particularly exemption of most taxation. Now, the situation was very much critical in French society. Reason behind, we knew that three estates were there. Three estates, three categories of the people were there, and these two were exempted. Means they were not having any problem or any tension to pay the tax, but the last category, which is divided into two, they were like upper middle class and lower middle class. Means middle class and upper lower middle class, you can say both the things, and these people were paying the tax and these were not paying the taxes. So that's why people were not happy, some questions were there, and something which is not satisfactory to the people, it was the situation. Now the struggle to survive, अब लोग कर क्या रहे थे, what was happening there, how they were living their life. So this we can say, we can see here. Now in this we see particularly there are many more pictures like you will see in NCERT. I'll show you. So population of France was 23 billion in 1715, and this was 18 million in 1789. This particular period of time, the population increased 5 million more. So with increase of the population, there was sudden increase in the demand of food grains. Obviously, when population increases of an area, what happens? The food grains demand increases. Means increasing population needs more thing. They need more resources. When the resources are not increasing, population is increasing. Nothing was to be done for the agricultural land or other kind of survival sources. So the production of grain was increased, but it was not enough. Means it was not enough to meet the demand of the people, and the price of the bread rose, and so many people suffered. So many people suffered means that particular segment of society which we have discussed, the third estate, because there were some people who were casual workers who were not having regular source of income, and they were working on other land, and situation was very worse when they were forced to pay the taxes. Means taxes for taxation was compulsory for them. The price of bread rose. Means there was nothing. One thing I told yesterday about that, agriculture was not regular. Why? Because of crop failure. Reason behind, we know that these country are, or France is on temperate zone where always snowfall take place. That's why in the winter season the crop is not good for the people, and when in market food grains are not available, which is available, for that price was very much high. The workers were employed as laborer and the wages were fixed, which could keep pace with the rising prices. So the bridge gap between poor and rich widened. Means the gap between the rich and poor was widened. Matlab, these two pillars are, in which one you see they are exempted and enjoying all rights, but this particularly under the burden, okay, of taxes, neither they enjoying life nor they surviving properly. So this was in the two segment we have discussed. And one more thing I let you know about, that the poor people who were paying the taxes, there were two kind of taxes. One was that is tethe, another is style. Tethe tax was that it was means imposed on the people by the church. The 1/10 of the agriculture produce, 1/10 they have to give to church. It was compulsory. And another stele, it was the tax to be paid directly to the state. State को tax देना है. Means to king. Yani church and king both are taking tax from third estate. Remember this. This was the main reason for the French Revolution. Okay. So till here we discussed about the society in late 18th century, what was happening there. Population had been increased, society was divided into three estate, three category, and what was the situation? Two categories were exempted for paying the taxes, only third estate was paying the tax. And population increase, price rise, high got raise high, or that's why these the main thing of the introduction. And tomorrow we will take another thing, the substance crisis happen, how it happened. So I stop this video here. Till then, read this page, take out some points write MCQs for better understanding the concept. Thank you.